We begin this morning with another expansion of eligibility for the coronavirus vaccine.
The FDA has just authorized Pfizer's vaccine for children ages 12 to 15, and local kids may be getting those shots very soon. CBS's John Diaz joins us live from Grand Central Terminal in Midtown with more. John?
Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Sydney. And as we now wait for approval from the CDC on that, health workers are busy setting up different vaccination clinics at popular transit hubs across New York City, like right here at Grand Central Terminal. They are trying to vaccinate more New York adults. We are told that this new push, this new effort will not impact any children, since they will be using the Johnson & Johnson single-dose shots. This morning, the vaccine rollout is in further motion. U.S. children as young as 12 could soon be eligible.
We have found, as this pandemic has gone along, that more and more kids, percentage-wise, are getting infected.
Infections in children are up 4% in the last 2 weeks. In fact, nearly a quarter of all new cases were in kids. But the FDA has authorized Pfizer's vaccine to be used in children ages 12 to 15.
Vaccinating a younger population brings us closer to returning to a sense of normalcy.
A CDC advisory committee is expected to vote tomorrow to give it the final green light. It means vaccines could soon reach nearly 17 million new arms in children as young as 12. Many parents have their own opinions.
It's amazing because I feel like my daughter can be protected.
For my children, great immune systems, healthy, and we don't know what the vaccine does yet.
In a recent study, nearly a third of parents of children 12 to 15 said they would get their kids vaccinated as soon as possible. Almost half would either wait and see how well the vaccines worked, or would comply only if it's required by schools. But nearly 1 in 4 said they would definitely not vaccinate. Just yesterday, Governor Cuomo announced all SUNY and CUNY students will need to be fully vaccinated to come back on campus. This comes as access to where New Yorkers can get vaccines further expands, with officials targeting a new set of people, commuters.
I think any place where people are, I think Subway's a great option.
As vaccination rates in New York are on the decline, starting tomorrow, the state will be opening pop-up vaccine sites at MTA stations across the city, offering vaccines at different hours, since the goal of this pilot program is to see where and when it's successful. In exchange, recipients will receive a free 7-day Metro card or 2 free one-way trips on the LIRR or Metro North. And as for these transit walk-up sites, we are told that, they will be running on a first-come, first basis, and each location can administer up to 300 shots per day. That is their capacity, and they will be open until this Sunday, May 16th. We're live this morning from Grand Central Terminal. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
Okay, John, thanks. And this morning,